Australia is built on hard work. We've all embraced a Yakka word for it. Yakka. Work defines us.
Work is more than money. Work affords us the opportunity of full participation in society.
Whether you work the land or toil on factory floors, whether you mine our minerals or you're a recruit in the army of service workers and professionals, your work has driven our economy.
He got where he is now from hard work.
Work has also been a political battleground.
Newspaper strikes have a reputation for being fiery affairs.
It's been responsible for our prosperity, shaped our attitudes,
I tell you what, any boss who sacks anyone today is a bum.
and will define our future.
We've already seen the future of work, and that isn't the story of the last 20 years.
So put your shoulder to the wheel and let's have a yarn about Yakka.